Okay, so we are going to use this picture to learn about how we identify the main idea and the detail. Now, this book is a little bit different because you could basically identify main idea and detail for every single question and answer. So we're going to focus on this one right here. How do plants survive the cold? And honestly, you can identify the main idea basically from the question, the title itself. Otherwise, usually main idea can be found right toward the beginning of the paragraph or page that you're focusing on. So it says, tundra plants huddle close to the ground in tight clumps and often have hairy leaves and stems to protect them from the cold. Cup-shaped flowers follow the sun as it moves across the sky. So this whole paragraph is all about how plants can survive the cold. So I know that that is the main idea. So I look at my poster, and I have identified the main idea as plants can survive the cold. Notice it's just a simple, complete sentence. Now I'm going to think about what were the facts that I learned that helped me or that support the main idea that plants can survive in the cold. And when I look at the paragraph, I can see that tundra plants huddle close to the ground together so that they can stay warm. That's one of the details. One of the other details is that they have hairy leaves and stems that help protect them from the cold or keep them warm. And then the final detail is that some flowers follow the sun as it moves across the sky to survive. So my graphic organizer would look like this. And when you look at it, you can see that every single detail has something to do with the main idea, how plants can survive the cold. So now it's going to be your turn. I want you to read about how animals survive the Arctic winter, and I want you to identify the main idea and the details that support that main idea. So think about it. How do animals survive the Arctic winter? Then it goes on to tell you some of the things that animals have or do to survive in the cold. Those are going to be your details. Your main idea is going to be kind of from the title. I don't want you to write how do animals survive in the Arctic winter because that's in the form of a question. So if you could reword that into the form of a sentence, that would be more helpful. And then put some of the details from the paragraph into your own words, and those will be your details. Everything needs to be in a complete sentence. And this is the graphic organizer that you'll be using. This is found in Schoology. You're going to save the photo to your photos and then put it into Pic Collage, set it as a background and go ahead and fill it in. And then when you're done, upload it to, I want you to upload it to Schoology, I think. If you have any questions or get stuck, please post on Schoology and one of us can help you. Have fun. Good luck.